What is happening, Chief and Chiefettes? Now this day was a pretty special day. Yoda's just purchased my old track car, my 330i BMW, so this is just us getting it all ready for him to take it away today. And of course we always start with the wheels, just with them being the dirtiest part of the car. So Joker's juice gets applied everywhere, we let it sit and dwell for a little bit, blast it all off, and then we also agitate the tyres. And then you can see as well the difference in terms of using the wheel cleaner. We just want to ensure that you're clean. Sorry, I blasted you a little bit there. And just repeat the same process across all four wheels. And then we like to go on afterwards with some snake eyes iron fallout remover. Now this is designed to break down any brake dust. See it start to react and turn red very, very slowly. I'll fast forward this bit for you. Now you want to let this sit and dwell for around about 2 minutes outside of direct sunlight. And then you want to agitate it all in with every single tool that you've got, whether that be a detailing brush, a wheel brush, etc. Continue this process around the rest of the 3 wheels that are remaining, getting in all the nooks and crannies, and do not miss a dime. Once that's all done and dusted, you want to throw a snow foam or pre-wash over the car, let it sit and dwell, and then as you can see now, Jamie's taking this all off for us. Water behaviour at all on the windows, it's sheeting like there's no tomorrow. So once we've done a full chemical decon, we're going to throw some protection on as well. Now make sure you do all the boot edges, the door edges, the door sills. It makes a big difference in the final stages. And also a little tip for you, pull the handle tight a little bit, don't open it fully and blast behind there because quite a little bit of gunk does build up. Now you can see we put iron fallout on the bodywork here as well. And this is our new Royal Flush wash pad, which is about the size of my quilt at home. Once you've done another safe wash and agitated that iron fallout in, you want to start drying the thing. And we're also using a King's Quick Coat Nano Spray Sealant here for a nice, easy, quick protection for around 4 to 6 months. Finish off with your drying towel. And of course in a minute I'm going to get the water going. Yoda sees his arse with me now because he thinks I'm not doing any work. But as you can see, I'm doing loads of work here. These do work a treat, these drying towels as well.
Stop filming and do some work.
So yeah, we've got the Master Blaster. This is a little treat, this one. I've had it for a long time as well. It's definitely had its use. The good tyre shine is making sure the tyres are nice and clean and dry. And then we've got some carpets out of the boot that we're just going to give a quick once over. I'm there henching myself on a spray trigger and Jamie comes along with a little pump on like a little smarty ass. And then yeah, sometimes a good old jet wash does work a treat on fabrics like this, and then I just left it to dry overnight in the house next to a radiator. Chocolate milkshake coming out there, lovely. And it came out absolutely banging, to be honest, like brand new. And then Yoda is ready to drive the beast home, mate. Honestly, yo, you deserve this more than anything. You deserve more than this, mate, to be honest. I definitely don't pay you enough, brother. Onwards and upwards though, my mate, and I hope to see what the next toy is going to be, my chief.